Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Meta verified option not showing up on Instagram. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information that I am going to tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So first, let us go to the Instagram for us to be able to see the Meta verified option in here. So again, tap onto your tap onto your Instagram and then go to your profile by tapping on to the bottom right part of your screen. So right here, and then just click the three horizontal lines that is available on the upper right corner. So tap onto that, and then on this bottom right here, you'll be able to see the Meta verified. So again, I'm going to show you. So tap onto that Meta Verified, and then you will be able to see if the Meta Verified is available for you to use or not. So as you can see here, instead of the subscribe button, I can see is the join wait list. So on the bottom part right here, it says that Meta Verified is not available for businesses or people younger than 18 years old of age. So this is actually some of the requirements that you need to have for you to be able to use the Meta Verified services. And then I am going to show you another list of requirements that you need to have to be able to use the Meta Verified. So actually on my Instagram, I am not yet eligible to use the Meta Verified since the Meta Verified is not yet available to all locations in the world. So what you can do is, if Meta Verified is not available yet, so you can join the wait list and get notified once it is available for you and you are eligible. So as you can see here, I just have the join wait list. So that is all that I can do. I can join the wait list to be able to use the Meta Verified. So that's it for this video. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.